Hello everyone, this is Pragya Pandey from RAO'S Academy for Competitive Exams Bhopal, and this is a special series on daily news review. Before moving any further, do hit the like button and subscribe our channel so you don't miss any updates. Without wasting any time, let's see what is in the news. 17th August. It is the very important date in the history of India. It is the day when the Red Cliff Line was revealed. This line was known as the borderline between the dominion of India and Pakistan. As you can see clearly here, in the East Pakistan and in the West Pakistan. This is the parting line between India and Pakistan that is also known as the Red Cliff Line. The Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment is preparing to undertake a nationwide survey to enumerate all sanitation workers engaged in cleaning of sewers and septic tanks. The exercise is a part of Namaste scheme that stands for National Action Plan for Mechanized Sanitation Ecosystem and will be conducted across 500 Amrit cities, whereas Amrit stands for Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation. Initially, the exercise will complete in the 500 Amrit cities. After that, it will be expanded nationwide, making it easier to bring government benefits like upgrading skills and loans and capital subsidies to them. Let's understand something about the Namaste scheme. Namaste scheme is a joint venture of Department of Drinking Water and Sanitation, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, and the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Let's understand the aim of these schemes. It is a zero fertility in sanitation work in India. It also focuses on no sanitation workers come in direct contact with human fecal matter, and all sewer and septic tank sanitation workers have access to alternative livelihood. Whereas the skill development and training of Safai Mitra is being taken up with the support of Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment through the National Safai Karmachari Finance Development Corporation. Let's understand what is manual scavenging. Manual scavenging is forbidden under the Prohibition of Employment as Manual Scavengers and their Rehabilitation Act 2013. It is a removal of human excrement from public street and dry latrines, cleaning septic tanks, gutter, and sewers. The Border Road Organization to build first steel slag road on Arunachal Pradesh border. The steel slag can withstand heavy rains and adverse climatic condition and hence will solve the problems of connectivity in tough terrain of Arunachal Pradesh. The project has been initiated after the success of using 100% steel slag on the port connectivity roads in Gujarat, which has longer life and low cost. Advanced towed artillery gun system and indigenously developed Howitzer, that is the long-range artillery gun, became part of a 21-gun salute at the Red Fort on Independence Day celebration. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India presented a report in Parliament on conservation of coastline ecosystem. The report contains observation on whether steps taken by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change to conserve India's coastline ecosystem has been successful. Let's understand the key findings of the report. As per the report, the National Coastal Zone Management Authority is still functioning as an ad hoc body. State UT coastline zone management authorities were either not reconstituted or the reconstitution was delayed. Projects are approved despite of inadequacies in environmental impact assessment report. Integrated management plans for critically vulnerable coastal areas yet not prepared by coastal states. Let's understand the recommendations of the report. SCZMAs and NCZMA be notified as permanent body, whereas the project proponent carry out in-depth ecological evaluation before granting them clearance. The mapping and preparation of management plans for coral reefs, turtle nesting sites, etc. is also mandatory. Let's see something about the Office of Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Article 148 provides for the Office of CAG of India, who shall be appointed by the President and shall only be removed from the office in like manner and on the like grounds as the Judge of the Supreme Court. He is tendered on oath or affirmation by the President in accordance with the third schedule. Article 149 provides the duty and powers of CAG. The Comptroller and Auditor General maintain the accounts of Union, the state, and of any other authority or body prescribed by the Parliament. Whereas Article 151 provides for the audit report of the CAG. Reports relating to the accounts of the Union shall be submitted to the President, who shall cause them to be laid before each House of the Parliament. The reports relating to the accounts of the state shall be submitted to the governors of the state, who shall cause them to be laid before the legislature of the state. Roshni, India's first saline water lander unveiled at Sagar Anveshika, that is a coastline research vessel operated and used by the National Institute of Ocean Technology, Chennai for coastal research. Central government appointed IAS Piyush Goyal as the new CEO of NetGrid, that is National Intelligence Grid. Let's understand what is NetGrid. National Intelligence Grid was proposed after the attack of 2611 to strengthen the network of intelligence agencies. It was conceived to develop cutting edge technology to enhance India's counter terror capabilities. It proposed is connecting database of core security agencies of the government of India. It also collects comprehensive pattern of intelligence that can be readily accessed by the intelligence agencies. In 2020, NetGrid and National Crime Record Bureau signed a memorandum of understanding which will give access to FIRs and report on stolen vehicle to the NetGrid. This is a part of ongoing initiative of making NetGrid the centralized data access solution for security and intelligence agencies. So this is it for today. Join our batches for UPSC MPPSC Civil Services Examination. Seats are very limited, so hurry up. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to hit like button. Also comment your valuable feedback. Also press the subscribe button to never miss any updates. Please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given below in the description box. Thank you and see you tomorrow.